Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning guys, how are you? It is the 12th of January and it is a Wednesday. I hope you had a great trading day yesterday. And today, guys, we've got a busy day ahead of us. We've got lots of potential trades today. So let's not mess around. Let's take a look. So the first one is this. This is the euro against the US dollar. We've been long in this all week. Ever since this large bullish candle formed on the 7th of January, we've been trying to take price back up to this blue line at 1379. And then even potentially this blue line at 1496. Okay. So yeah, we're looking to long this market. We also had a bullish candle form yesterday. So this is just telling us, yeah, we can push upwards. We do need a retrace to give us some value before we hit this blue line. So let's look at H1 for execution. So what we need to see, guys, is price firstly retrace into this grey zone. Okay, we've got our grey zone. We also have this diagonal line here, guys, that I've drew in as well. Okay, so it's just extra confidence, but we need a retrace to give us some value into this grey zone, then a bullish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back up to these highs and then leave even this blue line, and then we can leave some money on the trade for our second blue daily target. All right, guys, so euro against the US dollar long. That is our first trade for today. Our second trade for today is this. This is the pound against the US dollar. And we had a bullish candlestick pattern form yesterday. And I think we can take price up to this blue line at 3677. All right, so we've got a bit of room to move into there. Let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, yeah, we could also draw a diagonal line in here as well for another line of confluence. Okay, so we could do that, the same as the euro US dollar. But again, guys, we're looking for price to retrace down into this zone. We're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back up to this high if we get at least a 1:1, and then we can leave some money on the trade and let it go up to our blue daily target. All right, so pound against the US dollar, we are looking to long this market. Next trade is this. This is the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, so what we're looking for here is shorts, yeah, because yesterday we had a large bearish candle form. It broke these lows, this low here, this low here. So I think we can take price back down to this blue line. Yeah, we're looking to short this market. Okay, let's look at H1 for execution. So I've got a couple of grey zones. Sorry guys, let me pull this out a little bit. Yeah, so I've got a couple of grey zones here, guys, that we're looking at. So because it's such a strong bearish candle on the day chart, price might only retrace to here, guys, to the first grey zone. Okay, then we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to our blue line. Okay, if that doesn't happen, then price might retrace all the way up into this grey zone. But again, we're just looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to these lows and then leave some money on the trade down to our blue line. All right, guys, so US dollar against the Canadian dollar short. So those last three trades, guys, is all US dollar weakness. Okay, so they are all obviously highly correlated. I suggest you just trade the best one out of the three, whichever one gives you the best setup. Okay, now we're looking at this, guys, but before we do, I want you to show you this chart. So this is oil, guys. This is the oil chart. This is the daily chart. So as you can see, we have a large bullish candle, and I just wanted to show you the correlation between oil, and the Canadian dollar. So if you see oil in an uptrend like this, this will give strength to the Canadian dollar. Okay, so we saw that when we looked at the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, we were looking to short that. But now, guys, I'm going to show you these two trades as well. Okay, so first of all, let's change charts. This is the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. So as you can see, Canadian dollar strength. Yeah, this is highly correlated with strength of the oil. Okay, so let's look at the chart. So yeah, we've had bullish candles all week, guys, for the last 4 days. Okay, so I still think we have room to the upside, up to this blue line here. So yeah, let's look at H1 for execution. Yeah, guys, so we're just looking for price to retrace into this grey zone. Okay, then we're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price up to our blue line. We probably can't take it to these highs because we won't have enough for a risk to reward of 1:1. Okay, so our target will be the first blue line. Okay, so we're looking to long this market. Also, next trade is the euro against the Canadian dollar. We're looking to short this market, so more Canadian dollar strength because of oil. And as you can see, yesterday we had a bearish candlestick pattern form, and I think we can take price back down to this blue line at 4234. All right, guys, so yeah, shorting this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, guys, we're looking for price to retrace into this grey zone. Okay, then we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. If we get a risk to reward of 1:1, we can take it back down to these lows. If not, leave all the money on the trade and take it back down to our blue daily line target. All right, guys. So yeah, those are the 5 trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news. Before I start the news, guys, if you're thinking, wow, I'm enjoying these daily morning videos, then please subscribe, hit the notification button, and you will receive this daily morning analysis every single morning, Monday to Friday. You won't miss a single one. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button, guys. Right, so the news for today. Okay, so as you can see, nothing overnight. If we scroll down, the first important piece of news for us to consider is this. At 1:30 GMT, coming out of the US, we have a 3-star rating, and this is core CPI, so inflation, basically, guys. So this could really move any US dollar pair. Also, guys, at 3:30, we have a 3-star rating coming out of the US, and this is oil inventory. So this is a really interesting piece of news today, guys, because we're seeing a lot of Canadian dollar strength because of oil. So it'll be interesting to see what this does today. So it will affect the Canadian dollar and the US dollar, this 3-star rating. This could be a big bit of news today. And other than that, guys, as you can see, no more news for the rest of the day of any importance. Guys, if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. I hope you have a wonderful trading day, and I will see you tomorrow. Adios.